The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Predicting rain doesn't count, building arcs does. The more you learn, the more you earn. Chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken. The difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything. Our favorite holding period is forever. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. In the business world, the rearview mirror is always clearer. The key to successful investing is to be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. It's not about being the smartest person in the room, but about finding smart people to work with. The most important investment you can make is in yourself. Learning and self-improvement never go out of style. You only have to do a very few things right in your life, so long as you don't do too many things wrong. Diversification is protection against ignorance. It makes little sense if you know what you are doing. The best way to measure your investing success is not by whether you're beating the market, but by whether you've put in place a financial plan and a behavioral discipline that are likely to get you where you want to go. It's better to hang out with people better than you. Pick out associates whose behavior is better than yours, and you'll drift in that direction. Successful investing is about managing risk, not avoiding it. Risk is a part of God's game, like for men and nations. Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Success is not about the size of your bank account, but the difference you make in others' lives. Invest in knowledge, it pays the best interest in the long run. In the business world, integrity is your most valuable asset. Guard it with your life. Don't let the noise of the market drown out the soundness of your strategy. The best investment decision you can make is the one that aligns with your values. Think of every dollar as a seed. Plant them wisely, and watch your financial garden flourish. Your time is your truest wealth. Spend it on what truly matters to you. Dare to be a lifelong learner. The dividends of knowledge compound over time. Risk is not knowing what you are doing. Educate yourself before you invest.